Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install and set up MongoDB on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that MongoDB is a cross-platform document-oriented database program for Windows computer. Now to download, simply open your browser and search for MongoDB. And open the link from mongodb.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll put the link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download MongoDB. Now to download, simply click on this product tab and here you will find Community Edition. Simply click on this Community Edition version. Now here you have to select your version and platform. So the current version is 6.0.3 and we are going to download it for Windows. So I'll simply select Windows and here let me download MSI package. Then click on download button to download MongoDB Community Server Edition. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 482 MB, so it will take some time to download. Let me complete the download process. Once the download has been completed, simply open this file. Here we have our MongoDB setup window. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply click on this next button. Now here simply accept the license agreement. Then click on next. Now here we have two setup type. One is complete and another one is custom. Here simply click on complete button. And here you have to configure your service. So here simply check install MongoDB as a service and run service as a network service user. And here you have to name your service, and here we have our data directory and log directory. If you want to change this location, you can change this location, but for now I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on next. And here we have a option to install MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is a graphical user interface for MongoDB. If you want to use the graphical interface, then you can simply click on install MongoDB Compass, then click on next. We have configured our installation. Now to install, simply click on install button. Here you can see it is installing, so wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, here you will find MongoDB Compass window. Here you can see welcome to Compass. Here simply click on start button. Now we have to create a new connection. To create a new connection, first of all we have to set up environment variable for MongoDB. To set up environment variable for MongoDB, simply minimize this window. Here simply click on finish button. Now open the C drive and go to programs file, and here you will find MongoDB folder. Simply open this folder. Here you will find server folder. Open the folder. Here you will find MongoDB install version, and here we have our bin folder. We have to copy this bin folder location. Simply copy this bin folder location. Now open settings. Then click on system and here look for about option. Now click on advanced system settings and here you will find system properties window. Here simply click on environment variable option and here we have our environment variable window. Here under system variable, simply select path variable, then click on edit. And here click on new and paste the path. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Then click on OK to save the changes. Now close this setting window. Once you had configured the environment variable for MongoDB, you can simply open MongoDB Compass. Here click on new connection and here you have to enter your URI. Don't worry, I'll put this URI on the description box. Then click on connect. Here you can see we had successfully connected our database. If you don't want to use graphical user interface, then you can simply use MongoDB shell. For that, you can simply open CMD. And it will open CMD. Now you can use MongoDB shell. To check MongoDB version, you can simply write MongoDB space -- version. Then hit enter. And here you'll find all your MongoDB installation. Now to run MongoDB shell, you can simply run MongoD command and it will open you the MongoDB shell. So that's it. This is how you can install and set up MongoDB on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.